As your startup begins to grow, building the right team becomes one of your most critical tasks. Knowing when and how to hire technical and non technical roles can shape your company's culture, speed, and success. In this lesson, we'll explore the key differences, hiring strategies, and how to balance these roles to build a strong foundation. Let's start with technical roles. These include developers, engineers, product designers, data scientists, and anyone responsible for building and maintaining your core technology. In a tech startup, this group often forms your initial product team, and your product is your lifeline. Early on, hiring for technical excellence is essential. You need people who can ship quickly, work autonomously, and wear multiple hats. That doesn't mean finding the most decorated resume. It means looking for problem solvers who are curious, self-driven, and adaptable. Great technical hires don't just write code. They care about product outcomes, user experience, and business goals. Depending on your own background, your first technical hire might be a co-founder or a lead engineer. Look for someone whose strengths complement yours. If you're not technical yourself, it's especially important to bring on someone you trust to guide architectural decisions and set standards. On the flip side, non-technical roles are just as important. These include marketing, sales, operations, finance, and customer support. While they may not build the product, they're critical to getting it into users' hands and making sure the business runs smoothly. A common trap is delaying non-technical hires too long. Founders often try to do everything themselves, running ads, answering support tickets, managing finances. This works for a while, but eventually it slows you down. Bringing on non-technical talent allows you to focus on strategy and growth. So, when should you hire for non-technical roles? As soon as a function becomes a bottleneck. For example, if users are waiting days for support, hire someone to handle that. If you're spending more time managing your ad campaigns than building your product, it's time for a marketer. What matters most in early hires, both technical and non-technical, is mindset. Look for people who thrive in ambiguity, take initiative, and care deeply about the mission. Startups are messy and fast-moving. You need teammates who can learn on the fly, shift gears quickly, and contribute beyond their job title. Culture fit also becomes more important as your team grows. Early employees help shape your startup's values and norms. Do they collaborate well? Do they communicate openly? Do they value users and take ownership? These soft skills often outweigh hard credentials. Hiring is not just about skill, it's about timing and alignment. Ask yourself, what's the most urgent gap in your team? What roles will have the biggest impact on product velocity or user growth? Focus your hiring on solving real problems, not building a big team for the sake of it. You should also think about how technical and non-technical teams work together. The best startups break down silos. Engineers talk to customers. Marketers understand the product. Everyone shares the same goals. Create a culture where roles collaborate, not compete. Finally, hiring is only the beginning. Once someone joins your team, onboarding, feedback, and growth matter just as much. Invest time in helping new hires succeed. Set clear expectations, give them ownership, and involve them in big-picture thinking. In the early stages, every hire is a multiplier. The right person can unlock massive progress. Take the time to hire thoughtfully, communicate clearly, and build a team that's aligned, energized, and ready to build something great together. Let's start building the team your startup deserves.